Hey there, I'm Jordan. I want to tell you something important, something that really helped me make friends. Have you ever had a hard time keeping a conversation going with your friends? I did. I didn't realize it at first, but I used to do something that made my friends not want to talk to me. When we were talking, I used to get so excited about what I wanted to say that I'd interrupt my friends. Like, one time, my friend was in the middle of telling me about their favorite TV show and I started talking about an awesome game I had played. I didn't realize it then, but every time I interrupted, it made my friends feel like I didn't care about what they were saying. I wasn't just interrupting, either. Sometimes, when my friends were telling me something important, I'd get distracted or start thinking about something else. Like the time my friend was talking about their weekend, and I just stared at my phone. They noticed, said never mind, and stopped talking. It wasn't that I didn't care, I just didn't realize how much it hurt my friends when I didn't listen or when I only talked about what I wanted. After a while, I noticed that my friends weren't talking to me as much, and I started to feel left out. So, I talked to my mom about it. She told me something I hadn't thought about before. She said, "Jordan, maybe your friends feel like you're not really interested in what they have to say. Try listening more and showing that you care about their stories." The next day, I decided to try it out. When my friends started talking about a new hobby they were really into, I listened closely. I didn't interrupt. Instead, I asked them questions about it. The more I listened, the more my friends opened up. They could tell I was really interested, and it made our conversations a lot more fun. I also started putting away distractions, like my phone, so I could focus on what my friends were saying. When they told me about their weekend, I listened and responded instead of thinking about something else. I found out that when I really listened, my friends felt heard and appreciated. It wasn't just about what I wanted to say, it was about making them feel important too. The more I acted interested and really listened, the more my friends wanted to talk to me. We shared stories, laughed together, and our friendship grew stronger. So, if you ever have a hard time connecting with your friends, try this: listen more, ask questions, and show that you care about what they're saying. It's amazing how much stronger your friendships can become when you show you're really interested. Acting interested isn't just about listening, it's about showing your friends that they matter to you. Give it a try, and you'll see how much closer you can get with the people you care about.